Hi guys, welcome back to Now News and Update. In this channel, I'll be taking you through how to check your semester and also full result statements. If you have been looking on how to check your or you wanted to know your result from 100 level to the level you are, this is the right channel for you to do that. And I'm going to tell you the portal to use and check that, where you're going to see your CGPA, your TCE, your TCC. You're going to see your grade points and make sure that this and also the outstanding courses that is left for you to do. It's very important on this channel to make sure that you go through the end of the video so that you can have basic knowledge on how to be able to navigate and how to be able to check your statement of results. Another thing I will want us to also know on this video is that the number of the number of carryover courses you have determines the kind of CPGA you get at the end of the day. So you have to minimize, as in if it's possible not to have any F on your courses, just try, because it affects CGPA. It's kind of affect it. So if you know you are not ready for a course and you're not going to make it, better not to register it at all than registering it and do fail woefully. So the more you know that you're capable, you can register for those ones and make sure you get good grades. It's increase the chance of having good grade coming out of now. So that is another thing that will kind of chip in. So if you're having concern on how to get your results, how to see your comprehensive results, this is the right channel. So I'll be taking you to the portal where you can do that. It's also the support portal. You can also check your semester result in your portal, which is your student portal. But in this portal, you will see all the courses you have done so far, the results of it as well. So this one is the comprehensive results. I'm going to show you the current one and the previous one, and also the outstanding courses. I'm going to show you in this portal. So once you visit this portal, support.nou.edu.ng, you click on login, you put your matric number and password, or you put your matric number, which is the email, now email, and the password. It will take you, you will log in. I already told you before in the previous video how to um how to retrieve your password. If you want to reset your password in our editor, so you look out for the other video and check it out on there. So the first thing you need to do, you click on login, you log in. So once you click on login, you click on it, it's going to take you to your support portal immediately. On support portal, you will see statement of results on the up like this. Kindly click on the statement of results and it's going to show you something like this. It's going to show you all the courses you've done so far from 100 level to this thing. I'm going to use this one as an example. It's someone's results, so you're not going to see it even though you're checking it. It's not something that you're going to see. So it's someone results, though the person have some F, so it's not really a good thing because it affects person CGPA. So this is the outstanding courses for the person, and number of F that the person have, number of A, or every down thing we show in this place. So from 100 level to 400 level. So it's going to bring out all the courses that the person have done so far. So in this place, the course taken, you're going to calculate all the course you've taken in units. So taking 102 units, so it's the course pass out of that is 73. So the course that was in field is 19, and the current class of degree, so it's what is third class, so 2.0 in CPGA, 2.09, so it's third class. So he still have minus, he has done more than that. So minimum credit required is 120 for this person faculty. Then the credit end so far is 152, so he has passed the minimum credit. So it's person is due for graduation if you have done if the person have done the project, the seminar, this IT and all sorts. So it's and make it so the person is due for graduation. What makes the person to have at least contributed to this is a low score in the exam and also F. If the more F the person have, the more the CGPA would drop. So it's very clear. Very clear. So we need to take that very well and make sure that courses it's well details. Another thing I will let us to know is that if you wanted to log in, so first thing when you click on the login page, you need to enter your matric number and password. Enter the password. If you are a new student or this is your first time, you have to enter the password and you have to enter your matric number and the password will be default. That default is in small letters. So that's the person that's logging into this portal for the first time. And after that, you'll be able to log in and it will prompt you to change your password. So you can change it to anything you would like. After that, you submit. After you change it and confirm it, you submit. Then click on statement of result to view your statement of results. Every down thing. So once you click on it, it's going to show you the statement of results from your portal outstanding courses. So from there you can get it. This is what a lot of people are paying money for. I want to see all my 100 level courses. I want to do this. I want to do that. This is how you can be able to get your courses that is left for you. So that you're going to get your CGPA, your grade. You're going to know maybe you are doing more better in terms of what you're going to graduate with. So it's now left for you to also to buckle up on everything that you need to do on your study. So, and I wish you best of luck now, and also wish you the best. Make sure that you take your study very well. Once again, this will be the end of the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So catch you guys later. So if you need any other things, someone want us to like make a step-by-step step on how to do it, kindly drop it on the comment section. Let's look into it and see how we can make that happen for you guys. Bye.